40 videos have been filmed today. Oh my goodness me. This woman is on fire.
Can you believe it?
She's on fire.
Oh my gosh. It's a massive day, but I loved every minute of it.
That studio over there is like smoking. Like there is smoke coming out of it. So, this woman has just been sensational today. Walked in early this morning on a Sunday, hustled right on, planned out her entire online course, got the whole structure together, and has stood there like a demon all day solid and filmed the entire thing. Over 40 videos is insane. So how has today been for you, Cara?
It's been really, really good. I was quite nervous this morning when I started filming, but as the day went on, I relaxed a little bit more and got into my groove and got talking. So it's been really good. And then you just caught me off guard with a live stream of my last module on my course. So it's been really, really good. I've loved every minute. So thank you so much.
Yay! And has it been harder or easier than you thought? I mean, this is something you've been thinking about doing for years.
Yeah.
How has it been in comparison to what you thought it was going to be like?
A lot easier, to be honest. So I had put together so much content. And I thought that I actually had a lot of it all ready to go, but I had sort of most of it nutted out in what we wanted to do. But you broke it down in just a lot easier steps and a lot easier modules for me to understand and to actually communicate that to and from to my demographics. So it's been really humbling and really a lot easier than what I actually thought. I thought, because I was worried about, all right, how many modules and how many videos are we going to do and how much content, how long do I have to be talking for each one, and how am I going to remember all of these things? And I had stats and I had this and I had that, and it was a lot easier when we broke it down into the process that you sort of go through. It was really good.
Yay! So you are about to press the big green button.
I know.
How are you feeling right now?
Oh my god.
So
I've drafted my post up. I've drafted my Facebook post ready to go. I have checked it a couple of times.
How does this moment feel? I mean, all the work that's gone into this, all the stuff you've done to make this happen and bring this together, you are about to go global. Your content is about to literally go out to the world.
I know. I was really nervous last week, but I'm past the nervous side about putting it out to be judged. I'm really passionate about helping and educating MLM, direct sales, small business, home-based businesses about how to build an authentic brand and build relationships and live your why and your passion and purpose and all of that sort of stuff. So I'm actually really excited to get it out there, and I don't know why I sort of waited so long to get everything that's up here and everything that I've done in my other businesses and how I've used these strategies to get it out there. I don't know why I waited so long. So I'm excited to push the post button, to be honest.
Are you ready? Yeah. How are you feeling about this?
Ready?
In 3, 2, 1, go live!
Oh my god. School is live.
Your whole online school is live. Her school is open. If you guys want to follow her, go check out Cara Vayner's page. Her course is there. It's a massive discount, $27 for her entire 40 tutorial videos that she's filmed today. It will be at the $27 discount until she's got her videos edited and up. Massive congratulations,
Thanks,
Ellen.
gorgeous. Oh, it's been good.
It's been a fun day.
I know.
Well done to Cara. Go and follow her course.
Thank you.
Go check it
Thanks
out.
for tuning in, guys.
And if you want to build your online course in a day too, hit me up, Sarah at sarahcordiner.com.
She's the guru.
Bye.
Thanks.
Plug.